Hello children, today we will do the map pointing of chapter Asia. For this you need to buy or download it from the internet, the political map of Asia. 2 political maps you are needed. In one political map, children, you will mark all the country, so that you will memorize it for long time. And in second map, you will point out all the capital. Don't do it in the same map. You will do it in 2 different maps. So here all the countries of Asia is given, and here in this box the countries and capitals of Asia is given. And not only you will mark the big countries, but also along with big countries all the islands which are situated in Asia. You have to point out those islands with their capital in 2 different maps. Now children, you have to purchase or download from Google 6 outline map of Asia, in which in first map you will locate all the water bodies which is present in Asia, underwater bodies, oceans, seas, gulf and bays. These all you will mark in one map itself. Then in second map you will mark only the mountains, these 10 mountains. Don't make it in one map, children. All the 10 mountains at appropriate place you will mark them with the help of your book and the atlas which is given by your school. Then in third map all the plateaus, all the 5 plateaus you will mark. In the fourth map you will mark deserts and important latitudes. So 2 different deserts I have given you. Gobi is a cold desert and Thar is a hot desert. Both you have to mark. And in important latitudes you have to mark equator, Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle. And while marking this you will write the full name of it, and you need to write their degrees, like equator 0 degree, Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north, Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north. In the fifth map you will mark the river valleys or the plains. These 5 river valleys you need to mark in your map. Now sixth one is the island groups. So all 10 islands, important islands present in Asia, you need to mark. Then children, here I want to tell that while marking the mountains or the seas, oceans, suppose you have to mark Ural mountain. Then Ural mountain, as you have studied in your book, it is just the natural boundary between Asia and Europe. Then you are suggested not just to write Ural in the place of mountain. Instead of writing it, you need to mark. You need to make the mountain. And after making it, you will make an arrow and you will write Ural mountain. Then Pacific Ocean. It is very big ocean, but a place towards its east. You will mark like this and then you will write Pacific Ocean. It is not that a full area you write Pacific Ocean. No, only you will mark. Then same way, Gobi Desert, Thar Desert. Then equator. Equator, children, if in your map 0 degree is mentioned, then from east to west, from west to east, you will, with free hand, you will mark with a broken line the equator, and you will mention because it is already degree is mentioned, so you need not to mention the degree. Then 23.5 degree, if it is mentioned in your book, then you will again join from west to east that point and you will write a Tropic of Cancer. If it is not given, then very neatly and very carefully you consult your book or your atlas and find out through which countries this equator is passing out and running out, and this Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle. Then for river valleys and plains, again you will make the same. You will mark like this and you will write which river valley or plain you are marking or plateaus. Then the islands. On the particular island, you will just make, suppose this is Sumatra or Java island, then you will color it and make an arrow and write the name. Suppose if it is Java, then write down Java. So children, after marking the particular thing, you need to make an arrow and write the name. How I have done here. I hope, children, that this map pointing is clear to you and you will do it and paste it in your notebook. And for each map pointing, you need to write the heading. Suppose if you are making islands, then on that map pointing map, you need to write the heading, the island groups. First you will write Asia, then the island groups. For water bodies, again same way, how I have written Asia, water bodies, oceans, seas, gulf, bays. Same way for mountain, plateaus and other things you will mark. Thank you children and have a nice day.